What a beautiful Sunday! Ito po ay mag-attend kami ng libing sa Minawa. Kapamilya namin with mother here. Hi. So happy trip to us. Happy na, safe pa. Sa Buanguita is 6:30 in the morning. Alright. Ay, sirado ba? Wait, sirado na. Ina to, food house. We're in Shaton at 55 minutes from Dumaguete. Just a slow and safe drive. Yay! Santa Catalina! Liko, matali no? Santa Catalina at around 1 hour and 45 minutes. Alright, welcome to Bayawan City. 2 hours. Alright, slow and safe. Only slow and safe. Fresh air, Bukit View.
Wow!
Regards si Cabao. Welcome to Minaba. Barrio na may? Barrio?
Oo, barangay.
Alright, this is Minaba.
Barangay, Minawa.
The home barrio of my mother. Bayawan Boulevard.
Wow!
Tawhay ta sa Boulevard.
Lamig tayo, nandito tayo.
Kayo. Uulan po pa uwi namin. It's raining between Santa and Shaton. Yay! Shaton! Home of Email! Yan, Kuya Glenn. Oh, wow! Naghanang naninda dali oh.
Wow!
The beach. Parang boulevard ng Shaton ah. Between Shaton and Sambuanguita. Which part kaya ito? Wow! 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 Ganda! Oh yeah, the view! Look at those mountains!
So nice.
Alright! Ang lapad dito Dawin Road between Sambu and Dawin. Sana all ako magsana all sleeping lang. There's a rainbow in every after the rain. Well, number one tip ko po sa mga driver dyan, especially long distance, ikaw yung kakanta while driving. Hindi ka naglilisen ng music kasi para hindi ka nakakatulog. And bonus na po na makakatulog ang iyong kasama. Nakakasave ka pa ng energy sa iyong sasakyan. Alright!